Hello everybody, this is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy. Today we are going to explain about the structure of a eukaryotic cell. Size and shape of a eukaryotic cell differs considerably. The unicellular eukaryotics have cells in the size range of 1 micrometer to 2 micrometers. The cells of the most of the unicellular organisms are in the range of 95 micrometers to 100 micrometers. A large single cell of multicellular organism is the ostrich egg. It is having 15 to 20 centimeters. The shape of the cell in multicellular organisms are also variously considerable. Most of the cells are spherical or satellite or columnar, means cylindrical. The polygonal or spindle shaped. Cells may also have processes of various size extending from its main body. Such long processes are seen in nerve cells. For example, these are the processes of 1 meter long in the nerve cells of spinal cord. Of the organelles present in the cell, nucleus is the most prominent one. It can be seen even with an ordinary microscope. It is covered by two membranes which are together called nuclear envelope. Inside the nucleus, there is a diffuse thread-like material called chromatin. It is made up of DNA and proteins. DNA is the genetic material. It has the information required for the synthesis of protein and other vital functions in the cell. This information is present in discrete units called genes. Within the nucleus, a dark staining body called nucleus is present. During cell division, chromatin condenses and forms definite rod-like structures called chromosomes. Nucleus controls and organizes all the functions in a cell. Besides nucleus, there are other organelles in the cytoplasm which perform different functions. These organelles and their functions are listed below. Let us see. Mitochondria. Spherical or rod thread-like organelles. These are called powerhouse of the cell, as they generate the energy required for various functions of the cell. They generate the energy by oxidizing carbohydrates and fatty acids. They have a central matrix covered by two membranes. They contain a small amount of DNA or ribosomes. Lysosomes. These are spherical in shape and are covered by a single membrane. They contain enzymes which degrade carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. They help in breaking down of complex molecules to simple molecules which can be used by the cell for generating energy or for growth. Lysosomes also participate in the digestion of food material. Under some disease conditions, structure of lysosome is destroyed and this may lead to the death of the cell. Lysosomes are therefore called suicidal bags of the cell. Ribosomes. These are pear or heart-shaped structures and are not covered by a membrane. They are made up of RNA and proteins. They may be free in cytoplasm or in groups called or attached to the membranes of endoplasmic reticulum. These are involved in protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum. These are tube-like structures present in the cell. They extend all over the cell. Empty space inside the tube is called lumen and is covered by a single layer of membrane. These are two types of endoplasmic reticulum in the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum to which ribosomes are not attached. Rough endoplasmic reticulum participate in protein synthesis while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in lipid synthesis. Golgi complex. These are also tube-like structures with a central lumen covered by a single layer of membrane. It is involved in the secretion of proteins from the cell. Cytoskeleton. This is a network of fibers present all over the cell. They give mechanical support for the cell and also participate in cell movement. Some of the eukaryotic cells may also have several short hair-like processes called cilia. One or two long hair processes are called flagella. These two structures helps in locomotion. The prokaryotic cell has a tough cell wall. Below the cell wall, there is a plasma membrane. The cell is filled with protoplasm and ribosomes. All the other organelles, include nucleus, are absent in the cell. Long, highly coiled circular DNA is present in the bacterial cell, which serves as a genetic material. Detailed structure of a cell cannot be seen under a light microscope. For this purpose, a special microscope called electron microscope is used to see a structure of a cell. This microscope can show even a very minute structure in the cell as it magnifies the objective by several thousands of a time. Points to be remembered in this lesson are: all the living organisms are made up of cells, and cells are formed by the division of pre-existing cells. DNA, RNA, proteins and lipids are the major components of all the cells, and the functions performed by the organisms are also performed by the cells. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. The size and shape of various types of cells are different. Plasma membrane is the outermost layer in all the cells, and the cell's interior filled with protoplasm. Prokaryotics have cells without nucleus and other organelles. They have ribosomes. Bacteria are called prokaryotics. Eukaryotic cells have with nucleus and organelles such as mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids and vacuoles. All the fungi, algae and higher plants and animals are eukaryotics. Mitochondria are powerhouses of the cells as they generate energy. Lysosomes are suicidal bags of the cells and participate in intracellular digestion of various substances. Ribosomes are made up of RNA and proteins and are involved in protein synthesis. A group of ribosomes are called polysomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has attaches ribosomes and participate in protein synthesis, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum has attached to in lipid synthesis. Thank you. This is Nandita from Sono Academy.